Good morning, students. I am Asutosh Ranjan, science teacher from Modern English School, Bihar Sharif branch. Today I am going to teach you your chapter of science, that is history of clothing materials. It is my first lecture related to this chapter, that is your chapter clothing history of clothing materials. Students, in this lecture, in this chapter, we will study about our basic need about clothing. As we know that there are some basic needs of humans to live, that is food, shelter and cloth. So clothes are also essential for human to cover their bodies for the protection of rain, cold, insects, heat, so many things. But in ancient time, people do not know about cloth. In ancient time, there is no anything to cover the body. So people use different things which are found in nature to cover their body. As some people use parts of plant, leaves of plants, barks of plants to cover their body. People also use skins of some animals to cover their bodies. But this is not proper way to cover their bodies. So after development of science in humans, people invented materials related to fiber, and after the invention of fiber, they start preparing of cloth. So these cloths are made by humans for the purpose of covering of clothes. So what is, first of all, we should know what are fibers. Fibers are thin hair-like materials which are used to make cloth to cover the body of human. So from where these fibers come from? So people invented these fibers from and obtained these from the plant parts and also from the animal parts. Means according to obtaining, fibers are classified into two types, and some fibers are obtained from plants, so those fibers are called as plant fibers. But some fibers, some clothing material are obtained from animal body, so these fibers are called as animal fiber. So though both fibers are natural fiber. These all are either, that is plant fiber or animal fiber. These all fibers are natural fiber because these all fibers are obtained from natural things, plants or animals. These fibers are thin hair-like materials, very thin, and by these fibers we make thin threads, and by using so many threads we weave fabrics, cloths, and to cover our body. So these are natural fibers. After the growth in science, after the invention in science, human also knew to prepare fibers. After the inventions, after the development in science, people knew to make fibers. So these fibers which are made by human to make cloth are known as synthetic fiber or as well as man-made fiber, and by man-made fiber cloths are also prepared and used to cover the body. So now we have two types of fiber, natural fiber and synthetic fiber. Natural fiber are those fibers which are obtained from plants and animals, as plants cotton plants, which are whose fibers are used to make cloths. Animals as silkworm, sheep, goat, camel. These are animals from which we obtain different types of fibers to make cloths. And synthetic fibers are also different types which are made by human, and these fibers are used to make different types of clothes, and these fibers are called as man-made fibers as well as synthetic fiber. So these are two types of fibers which are used to make our different types of cloths. So this is first lecture about clothing, history of clothing materials. In my next lecture I will discuss about sources of fibers, plant fibers, animal fibers, synthetic fiber. For today that's all. Thank you. Have a nice day.